I'll unmute myself as well. And then round one players, please unmute.
Okay.
Hello.
1 minute, I have a question, madam.
Yeah.
When I read my questions, sorry, I mean options, I can just read it loudly, right? Maybe sometimes you read loudly, you remember something.
Yeah, okay. You'll have 5 seconds. If you can, go for it.
Oh, too much time.
Yeah. Mocha bhai, your voice is echoing.
50.
Echoing.
Yeah.
अब बंदा और क्या करे, लैपटॉप पे करे, क्या क्या करे?
अब ठीक है.
Wait.
अब ठीक है.
सर मेरे आगे बिटू सर हमें
ठीक
मीटिंग
है, अब ठीक है.
Now is okay?
Yeah, okay. All right. So we've got Mocha bhai, Jabi, Ibrahim, and TK. All 4 of them are here. Thank you. Rest, please keep yourself on mute. Guys, let's have the rules for round 1. And guys, welcome to episode 8. 8 episodes down. Wow.
All right.
Okay, guys. So we've got Jabbar Malik. Yeah, we've done that. That's all right. Rules. So this is not a buzzer round. We go to the randomizer, which is done already. 4 questions, 10 points for the right answer. No passes. Time allowed is immediately, and anyone speaking out of turn will lead negative 10 points. Okay. It's advisable if players who are not playing this round mute themselves and just unmute when they are playing. So to avoid any chances of anything happening. Okay. TK, Ibrahim, and Jabi, it's better if you just mute yourselves. Mocha bhai,
Mute.
your answers will be on screen any moment now.
Okay. 2007, Suresh Raina, 2011, it was Mohammad Khair, Yuvraj Singh, Robin Singh, Mohammad Khair, 2006, 2007.
The player in context is going to be MS Dhoni.
Okay.
So let's have his questions on screen, please.
In
In
which
which year he first won the World Cup as
2007.
captain? Okay, next question. He was run out on a duck on his ODI debut. Who was his batting partner?
Yuvraj Singh.
Okay. Third, he stepped down from captaincy in which year?
2017.
Okay, let's see the answers. The answers are 2007, Mohammad Kaif, and 2017. Wow, so almost there. Good start. I mean, if have you watched the movie MS Dhoni?
अरे भाई मैं वो मैच भी देखा है बांग्लादेश के सामने. I saw that match, but it didn't strike.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. Well done, Mocha bhai. Good start. Thank you. So next is Jabi. Jabi, ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
Okay, your options are on screen now. The player in question is going to be Steve Waugh.
Okay.
Let's have the questions. He won the ODI World Cup as a captain in the year
1999.
Okay. Dean Waugh is my
Father.
Okay. His nickname is
It was there on the screen.
Time's up. We'll have to move ahead. All right. Let's see the answers. It was 1999. Dean Waugh is his brother, and the answer for his nickname was Tugger. So that's 1 out of 3. Good effort, considering the fact that you are outside the house. Well done.
Yeah.
All right. Next is Ibrahim. Ibrahim, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your set of answers will be on screen any moment. And the player is going to be Inzamamul Haq. All right. Let's have the first question. He was born in which city?
Multan.
Okay. Who was the fielder who got him out obstructing the field in an ODI?
Suresh Raina.
Okay. And the third question, please. He was appointed chief selector of PCB in which year?
17.
Okay. Let's see the answers. The answers are Multan, Suresh Raina, and 2016. That's very close, but very, very well done. All your answers came at a very rapid speed. That's really nice. Well done. All right.
Thank you.
So next we have is TK. TK, unmute.
Hello.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Your answers will be on screen now. Time's up. The player in question is Andrew Simons. Okay. His highest test score is. Moving on. He was born in which city? I guess TK is not with us any longer. Move on. Let's move on to the third question. First IPL team he played for. I guess TK left. There was some issue with his mobile. I don't know. I'm not sure. But there's nothing we can do about it right now. We'll have to move ahead. It was there as the round started, so I can't do much about it. Okay, guys, we'll score him later. I mean, just score 0. There's nothing we can do. That's the end of round 1. Now we'll have players for round 2, please.
Score, please.
Hello.
TK, round is over.
Shit, man. I got a call. Sorry.
Maja hai bhai tum.
Shit. Never mind.
Okay. All right. Momo scores.
Scores are Gabru at 10, Sledges 0, Karachi and Dhanera at 20 for this episode.
Okay. All right. Let's have the participants for the next round, please. Okay, guys. So this is the round 2, and it's going to be Parth Mehta, Kunal Kanal, Bilal Noordin, and I'm sorry I can't read the last participant's name, but I hope you're here. It's
Abbas.
Abbas. I'm really sorry I can't read your name on
Abbas
my
Ashraf.
screen. Okay, as long as you're here, it's cool. All 4 of you are here?
Yes.
Okay. All right, perfect. So let's get the rules on screen, please. So guys, this is a buzzer round. It's a score sheet round where you have 4 score sheets, 2 questions per score sheet. So total 8 questions will be asked. 10 points for the correct answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer after calling the buzzer. There is no pass. You'll have to immediately identify. The cue is that you wait for me to finish the question, so at least you know what I'm going to ask. But if you're confident, you can shoot for it. Anyone speaking out of turn will get -10 points. Others, please, players who are not playing this round, please mute yourselves. The buzzer is going to be only your name. Okay, so not answers, your name. Make sure if you call out answers, -, points straight away. No warnings. If I have an issue with the buzzer, I'll check with Momo. Okay. So all 4 of you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Momo, let's have the first. Let's have the first scorecard, please. Second ODI is South Africa's tour of India. Guess the year and guess
Kunal.
Sachin Tendulkar's.
Kunal.
Sorry, guess. Yes, Kunal.
The year was 20.
No, not the year.
Played at
Not the year.
Gwalior.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
was played at Gwalior and Sachin scored 200.
Perfect. Let's see the answer. The answer is Gwalior and 200. Well done. Thank you for covering up over there. Let's move on to the second scorecard, please. India's tour of Australia, Sydney 2004.
Kunal.
Yes, Kunal.
Sachin scored 241
Okay.
and we had Parthu Patel.
Wow. All right. Any trivia about Sachin's score? Why was this score not so famous?
I think because
No cover.
I wasn't sure for that.
All
Yeah,
leg
there were
side
no-
shots. Yeah.
There were no cover drives in this shot because all the season he had issues. He was getting out on playing cover drive, so he decided he's not going to play a cover drive. And he didn't play a cover drive, and he scored 241. That's the
Okay.
class that Sachin was. Rather
Okay.
is. All right, well done. The answers are right. 241 and Parthiv Patel. Moving on. Fourth, moving on, please. sixth match, Independence Cup, Pakistan versus India. Where was it played and who got Saeed Anwar out? The famous 194. Okay, guys,
Bilal.
time's up.
Bilal.
Time's
Bilal.
up. Time's up. Time's up. Time's up. I called time's up. Sorry, Bilal. 1 second earlier, and I would have given it to you. But time's up for this round. But you can guess the answers. There's no harm in guessing.
Chennai.
Okay.
And bowler is, I think, Robin Singh, maybe.
Sachin.
Okay.
Bowler is Tendulkar.
Yes.
Tendulkar.
Bowler is
Rahul
Tendulkar
Dravid.
and- No, the bowler is
Sachin
Tendulkar, and it was played in Chennai. But unfortunately, a little slow over there. One more scorecard to go. Hopefully, you can buck up over there. Okay, let's go for it. ICC World 11 versus Asia 11. Who captained Asia 11 and who was the man of the match? Time's up. We'll have to move ahead. Any guesses, guys?
Brent Lara was the captain.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Asia 11.
Ganguly.
I guess Brent Lara.
Inzamam.
Because this was played for Tsunami in Australia.
Asia
Player
11.
of the match is Michael Bevan, by any chance?
No, guys.
Michael Bevan.
वो टाइम पे सिर्फ एक ही कैप्टन था सौरव गांगुली
Oh,
and player of the match Ricky Ponting. So
Okay.
a tough one actually over there, but it's about who remembers watching this match. All right, that brings us to the end of round 2. Momo, scores please.
All right. The scores right now are Sledges at 40, Karachi 20, Dhanera 20, Gabrus at 10.
So very low scoring match there, but
Once again.
interesting to see the total scores 65, 40, 30, 30.
In
I guess
terms of
every-
totals,
every-
Sledges are leading.
All the teams are very much in the race. I mean, anything can happen overall. Okay, let's move on to round 3. Thank you, participants from round 2. Round 3, I guess we have an issue with a team from Pakistan. If I'm not mistaken, I guess one of the players is not here. So as admins, we'll take a call. Momo, just decide who plays this round, please.
Jemamme.
The 3 players are
Right.
playing, so I think the player that played the second round can play. Unless there is a.
All right, good news. Murtuza is here. He just made it in
Okay.
time, so we don't have to go through all this. All right. Okay. Players playing this round are Murtuza, Abul, Vaibhav, and Yogesh. So Yogesh is here.
Yeah.
Murtuza, you can hear me?
yeah, right.
Okay, perfect. Waiting for Abul Bhai. Abul Bhai, unmute yourselves, please. And and Vaibhav. Vaibhav, can you unmute yourself? Abul Bhai, you're on mute again. Yeah, now
You
unmute.
can hear me?
Yes. Okay. All 4 of you are here. Perfect. So this is the jigsaw round. We've done the randomizer. Murtuza is going to go first. So Murtuza, there's not a buzzer round. It's the randomizer. You will get a photo on screen. You'll have to guess the players in 10 seconds. Not necessarily that you guess all. If you can, excellent. If you cannot, you can just stop whenever you want to stop. For
Okay,
every
that's
right
good.
guess-
I think my voice is clear to you. Is
Yes, it's clear. It's clear. It's perfect. For
Okay,
every
that's
right
good.
guess, you get 10 points. For any wrong
Okay.
guess or incorrect guess, you get -5. Okay.
okay.
Anyone speaking out of turn will get a negative of 10 points straight away. So let's see. All right. Are you ready, Murtuza?
Okay.
Okay. Let's have the players on screen, please. And your time starts immediately. Yes. So time's up. Unfortunately, there was no guess over there. It's okay. It
Yeah.
happens sometimes. कोई बात नहीं. Let's move ahead. The players actually were O'Shane Thomas, Washington Sundar, Kane Williamson, Matthew Wade, and Fakhar Zaman. And the actual pictures look like this. I guess the admins have taken it one step higher now. The players are getting more difficult than what we're used to see. Okay, next is Abul. Abul, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Marcus Stoinis, Dale Steyn, Imamul Haq, Peter Siddle.
Time's up. So let's see the answers there. Marcus Stoinis, Imamul Haq, Naseem Shah, Peter Siddle, and Dale Steyn. So Momo, how many right over there?
4.
4.
4. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay. Moving on, it's going to be Vaibhav. Vaibhav, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Picture will be on the screen any moment.
Team Saudi, Virat Kohli, Yasir Shah, Ishant Sharma.
Time's up. Let's see the answers. Yasir Shah, Virat Kohli, Mitchell Santner, Ishant Sharma, and Asad Shafiq. I guess you got 3 right and 1 wrong, right?
Yeah, right. 3
Yeah.
right, 1.
Momo, please score accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. Moving on, it's going to be Yogesh. Yogesh, bhai, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Let's have the jigsaw on screen, please.
Saklian Mushtaq.
Time's
Mohammad
up.
Amir.
Time's up. Time's up. A call time.
Mohammad
I
Amir.
can't take Mohammad Amir over there. The answers are Jasprit Bumrah, Martin Guptill, Mohammad Amir, Saklian Mushtaq, and Vijay Shankar. So that's 1 right. Mohammad Amir was the right guess, but just a second late.
मेरे को लगा मोहम्मद सामी है, शक्ल में याद नहीं आ रहा था.
कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता. Okay, thank you guys. That's end of round 3. Momo, scores please.
Tahir. Sledges leading at 65, Dhanera at 60, Karachi and Gabru's at 20. And for the
Okay.
2-3 scores, it's Sledges 90, Dhanera 70, Gabru's 50, Karachi 30.
Still anybody's game, I would say. I mean, Karachi are still in it to not just win the round, but also lead the total standings there. Anyway, let's move ahead. Let's get the participants for round 4, please.
Hey, madam. Can you hear me?
Yes. So round 4, we've got Dheeraj Lulla, Smith, Sachin Talwar, and Taha Shabbir. Dheeraj Lulla is very much on, but we'll need you to switch on your video, please.
Sorry.
Madam, can you see me, madam? Hear me?
Yes, Sachin bhai, I can hear you. Junior Sachin also there. Excellent. Okay. Dheeraj, video is on. Perfect. Waiting for Taha and Smith.
I'm there.
Dhanera 10 to get
Yes, Smith is here as well. Taha.
Yes, I'm here too.
Yes, Taha Kadi. Okay, all right, perfect. All 4 of you are here. Let's get the rules, please. So this is the rapid fire round. Total 10 questions, 10 points for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer. There is no pass. There is no time allowed as such. Immediately after the buzzer is identified, you have to get the answer out. Anyone speaking out of turn will leave -10 points, and if you call out the answer instead of the buzzer, negative points. Hope the rules are clear. And the buzzer has to be your name only. Okay. So let's start. Let's get the first question on screen, please.
Who's playing first?
All 4 of you together. For
Yeah,
whose
sorry,
selection
sorry,
of 2019 World Cup squad, MSK Prasad justified by saying that he had 3-dimensional
Vijay
skills?
Sachin.
Neeraj.
Oh, shit. Somebody answer.
Yeah,
Somebody answer.
I guess it was Sachin there.
Yes.
Sachin, was it you? All right,
Yes,
it
it was me.
happens, but unfortunately, we'll have to give it give a -5 there. Let's answer is Vijay Shankar. Answer is Vijay Shankar. Okay, let's move ahead. Second question, please. In a space of 3 overs, which empire no ball
Sachin.
Muthiah more than 7 times? Sachin.
Daryl Hare.
Daryl Hare. Let's see the answer. Daryl Hare is the right answer. Well done. All right. Question number 3. On which ground the India-Pakistan semi-final was played in the 2011 ODI World Cup?
Smith, Sachin.
Taha.
Momo?
Taha.
Taha.
Mohali.
Yes, Taha.
Mohali.
Mohali. Can we get the name of the stadium? It's okay. I'll still
No,
give
I
Mohali.
don't. No, I don't know the name of the stadium.
That's fine. That's fine. Let's see the answer. Yeah. Answer is yes. The PCA stadium in Mohali, but we'll give it to you. We'll give it to you.
Sorry to interrupt, but Mohali is not the ground. Mohali is the city.
It's okay. Mokabai, we'll give it. We'll give it.
Okay.
Question number 4. In the 2006 ball tampering controversy during the Pakistan-England Test match, who was
Taha.
Pakistan's
Taha.
captain?
Smith.
Taha.
Momo?
Taha.
Taha. Taha, go for it.
Inzamamul Haq. Inzamamul Haq.
Inzamamul Haq. Let's see the answer, please. Inzamamul Haq is the right answer. Well done. Question number 5. Who amongst the following has taken a 5-wicket haul in ODIs? Ravi Ashwin, Danish Kaneria, Shane Warne, or Rangana Herath?
Taha.
Yes, Taha.
Rangana Herath.
Rangana Herath. Let's see the answers. The answer is Shane Warne. Ashwin, Kaneria, and Herath have never taken a 5-wicket haul in ODIs. Okay. Question number 6. Name the batsman.
Taha.
Yes, Taha.
Ahmed Shehzad.
Ahmed Shehzad. I mean, I was hopeful that team from Pakistan had to get this. Let's see the answer. The answer is Ahmed Shehzad. Well done.
And it's kind of a memorable one.
Sure, definitely. All right. Question number 7. Who has been recently appointed the batting coach of Pakistan for England's tour?
Taha. Taha.
Smith.
Yes, Taha.
Yunus Khan.
Wow. Let's see the answer then. The answer is Yunus Khan. Well done. Question number 8. Who is the first captain to be awarded MOM in an IPL final in a losing cause?
Smith.
Yes, Smith.
Dhoni.
Dhoni. Let's see the answers.
It's Anil Kumble.
Anil Kumble.
Yes, the answer is Anil Kumble. It was the Deccan Chargers versus RCB in 2000. All right. So this brings us to the 9th question of the night. Let's have it on screen, please. In terms of ball faced, who is the fastest to reach 1,000 runs in ODIs?
Dheeraj.
Yes, Smith.
Smith. Smith is the answer.
Oh, Smith. No, Smith
Steve
is not
Smith.
the answer. Let's see the answer.
Is it Rohit Sharma?
No, the answer is Andre Russell. Dr. Dre. All right. The last question of the night. Let's have it. Who is the only player to score 4 consecutive 50-plus scores in ODI World Cup knockouts? Momo, do we have a buzzer there?
Dheeraj.
Yeah, Dheeraj said something.
Yes, Dheeraj.
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma is the incorrect answer. The
Steven
correct
Smith?
answer is
Steven
yes.
Smith.
The correct answer is Steve Smith. 2015 World Cup qualifiers final and 2019 World Cup semi.
Come on.
All right, guys. Well done. Momo, quickly scores, please.
Hanera has won.
Oh, wow.
Hanera is at 65 for the episode. Sledges in Karachi, 55 each. Gabru's at 15. And the final score standings are Sledges on top at 80, Dhanera at 75, Karachi 65, and Gabru's at 45.
Very good comeback there by Karachi in the last round. And again, it's anybody's. This is like a group of that anybody can qualify from this round.
But I should tell that the questions were super designed by the guys to help team Karachi to come up. Super job. All Pakistan questions impossible to answer. Great job, guys.
No, I guess last time it was harder for us to
मौका भाई का
tell
कमेंट
मौका भाई यार
के बाद ना आए तो
कभी
क्या
कभी भी आप ऐसा होता है कि नहीं रो
अरे भाई मैं तो तारीफ कर रहा हूँ एडमिन्स की कि मतलब प्रॉपर डिजाइन किया है उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए.
In the last one, you also had Indian-based questions where we were asked the middle
Yes,
name of Indian players also.
I could never know Ganguly's middle name.
I could never know Ganguly's middle name. Okay.
Sachin
That
Tendulkar
was
has
also
more
not
5
fair.
points than Shane Warne.
Chalo guys,
guys,
the banter can continue on the captain's group, but good comeback from Team Pakistan and both ways in the game and with the banter on the chat. Alright guys, thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Okay.